Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English for 17th of April to speak in the school morning assembly. And first of all, national news. IAS officer got notice for reposting AI image of Kanchagachibauli land. India's air quality far short of United Nations standards. Official. India to grow by 6.5% this year, remain fastest growing economy, a report said. Youth may not join army if veterans resettlement neglected, Supreme Court. Now international news. Indian immigrants now the largest number of AI founders in US. Donald Trump incentives leave America offered migrants money, travel. Stop threatening and blackmailing China's messes on tariffs for Trump. Walmart boosts tech presence in India with Chennai office deal, a document said. Now some sports news. Andre Onana to return in goal for Manchester United against Leon, Ruben Amorim. Holger Rune, Arthur Fils reach Barcelona Open quarterfinals. KL Rahul, Michelle Stark star as DC beat RR in IPL 2025 Super Over thriller. News related to business. Chinese economy grew 5.4% in first quarter amid new US tariffs. Trump's trade war ripples through a business world, hit stock again. And that's all in news. Thank you.